Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create Messenger Kids account on Facebook. So there is an update. Kids now you can use Messenger from Facebook. So you can tap three stripe at the top of your screen, and here we go. You can tap see more, scroll down, and this is Messenger's Kids, the messaging app made for kids. Kids have all the fun. Parents have control. Family can chat from Messenger. So you can click or tap to get started, and here you can connect with kid through Messenger and create an account for my child. For example, you can name your child's birthday, and after this you can follow the instruction, or you can connect with kid through Messenger. Kids can chat with family and friends who use Messenger. Just ask the child parents to add you as friend for their child. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.